हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। इस वीडियो में मैं लेकर आई हूँ आईसीएसई की स्टैंडर्ड 10 की इकोनॉमिक्स की लेसन जो मैं ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुकी हूँ वीडियोज़, उसका ही कंटिन्यूएशन पार्ट है ये, पार्ट 4 ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक्स लेसन, डिमांड एंड डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ डिमांड। ओके, लेट मी proceed. Yes, before I proceed with the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel until now, then please do subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you, so that it will be a new content for me and a piece of knowledge for you. And yes, if you do like my videos, please like and share with your friends. Let's continue with the content. Okay, in this video I will give you the difference between expansion of demand and that is the excuse me, there is expansion of demand and increase in demand. Now these two terms are very much contradictory. Lot of students, a lot of economic students are confused. What is the difference between expansion and what is the difference between increase? That is difference between expansion and increase. Let me explain. Expansion of demand refers to rise in the quantity demanded of a commodity as a result of a fall in its price. It is shown by downward movement along a demand curve. So when we talk about expansion of demand, it refers to the rise in the quantity. The quantity demanded will be more if the price will fall. If the price will fall of a commodity, if the price will fall, this is shown as a downward movement along the demand curve. So we'll see that there is a fall in the demand curve. So when the price was high, the demand was less. When the price came to moderate, the demand was more. Again, when further the price fell down, then demand was further. So it is a downward movement along the demand curve. There is a downward movement. So this is what is called as the expansion of demand. That is, with the fall in price, the demand of the commodity will increase. This is called as expansion of demand. Coming to increase in demand. Now what is the difference? Increase. When we talk about increase, it refers to a situation when the consumers buy larger amount of the commodity at the same price due to change in their factors other than own price of this commodity. It leads to a shift in the demand curve to the right. Now here, even if the price remains the same, sometimes it so happens that you have a demand even though the price remains the same, but you have an increase in demand. This is called as increase in demand without changing the price of the commodity. When there is no change in the price of the commodity at a particular period of time, but the demand increases, it is called as increase in demand without a change in its price, in the price of the commodity. This is called increase in demand. So increase in demand refers to a situation when the consumers buy larger amount of the commodity at the same price due to a change in their other factors, because they need it, because they have the necessity at that time, because there is a festive occasion, because there is some occasion in their house. So because of so many other reasons, there is a demand by the consumer even though the price remains the same. So this is called as increase in demand. Okay, now this is the difference between expansion and increase. Let me also explain you what is contraction of demand and what is decrease in demand. Now when we talk about contraction refers to fall in the quantity demanded of a commodity as a result of a rise in its price. It is shown by upward movement along a demand curve. Now what is refers to a fall in the quantity. So when there is a fall in the quantity demanded of a commodity as a result of a rise in its price. So when the price rises, definitely the demand will be less. It is shown by an upward movement along a demand curve. So it will be upward movement from a demand curve. So when the price is high, the demand is less. When the price is moderate, the demand is more. And when further, it is just this is called as contraction. So when there is rise in price, there is fall in demand. When further the price will rise, further the demand will reduce. So as the price keep rising, the demand will keep reducing. This is what is called as contraction of demand. Now coming to decrease in demand. Now these two terms are similar, so economic students are confused. So this is what I am trying to provide you clarity. So just now what I explained was contraction. Let me explain you what is decrease in demand. Decrease in demand refers to a situation when the consumers buy a smaller amount of the commodity at the same price due to change in other factors. So let me explain you word wise, like word to word. Refers to a situation when the consumers buy a smaller amount, when the consumer is buying a smaller amount of the commodity at the same price due to change in other factors. So here we can take the example of gold. Even if the price of the gold remains the same, and but the consumer has a necessity to buy that, then the consumer will definitely buy it, but in a lesser quantity. It is indicated by a shift in the demand curve to the left. So there is a shift towards the left. This is right, and when I talk about left, means that is that left is this way. That there is a change in the demand curve towards the left. So this is what. So even if the price is high, but there is a necessity for the consumer to consume that product or the commodity, but he will consume it definitely because he has a requirement which may be an urgency, but definitely he'll purchase in a small quantity. Here a very good example we can give is of gold. Even the price of the gold is quite high, but the consumer needs, there's a festive occasion in the house, or there's a marriage in the house, or there is some urgency in the house, you need to purchase it, so you will purchase it in a small quantity even though the price is high. This is what is called as decrease in demand. So the price remains the same, but the quantity demanded is very, very less. This is called as the decrease in demand. I hope I was very much clear explaining you expansion of demand, the difference between expansion of demand and increase in demand, differentiation between contraction of demand and decrease in demand. Please let me know in the comment section if there is any doubt, and do feel free to ask me queries so that I can clarify it to you. And yes friends, I'll end the video here with this lesson, and in the coming videos I'll upload economics lesson, that is the second lesson of economics of ICSE standard 10, that is the supply lesson. Okay, let's stop with the video. Yes, one more thing, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.